think it might be a carp. Be careful when you're pulling it up, so that way you don't rip the hook out of him. Try to keep that pressure till he gets tired. That's right. Dude, that pole went off. You seen that? The way it was dipping down.
Bro, I was so into that conversation too, and then that shit happened. I'm like, we're talking about the boat?
Yeah, we're talking about the boat. Is it a carp?
Huge, dog.
Oh, it's a carp. Oh, it's a catfish. It's a catfish. Let me grab mine first. Nah, we're not gonna keep it.
Get the net.
I need the lip. Hold up, here, bring him up. Oh. Come on. I'm gonna put you back. Look at how it's hooked, bro. Freaking barely in his lip.
Yeah, I'll take a little picture for you, dog. I got you.
Nah, this is your fish. You feel the man.
This your hook, though.
You can weigh him out, too.
That motherfucker fat.
He's nice and healthy.
All right, so this goes back.
Let me grab my scale. Dude, this... 3.3.
Oh, shit. Oh!
That's
that
nice.
Fucker's thick.
I told you there was big ones in here, bro. He was hungry. He's biting down hard on that fucking shit.
Yeah, he's pissed, bro.
He's not happy, bro. All right, let's see.
A foot?
18 inches. 19.
19. All right.
19 and a quarter, but let's say call it 19. He's gone.
Watch you get this one and the next one.
Got him. Little bluegill.